Good morning, everybody. We decided to do something a little bit different, and we spent the night at a Cracker Barrel.
So we had a really great time with our niece. That was on Saturday, checking things out around the New Hope, Pennsylvania area. And then we actually got in the van and started heading to see our nephew, but then we chatted with him and found out he wasn't feeling well, so we canceled. So our plans have changed a little bit. Yesterday we actually ended up just taking a kind of chill day, went to Panera, got some work done, went to Planet Fitness, hung out in the van a little bit, and then today we are going to start our day at Panera, get some work done, then we're going to do some more sightseeing around here before we get on the road to head south. Something we have found here just outside of Philadelphia is there are several places where our van doesn't fit, and there are also lots of tolls. So actually the last 2 nights we have reached places, were there 2 tunnels or bridges we couldn't fit under?
There was just the first one that was 2? No, it was 10 even. And our height is 9'6", so it made us stop and pause.
No.
And then there was one, was it just last night?
No, so Saturday night after we saw our niece, we were heading to meet up with our nephew, and that's in New Jersey. So we were already in New Jersey, and to come back and cross over the Delaware River, the first bridge we tried to cross, we couldn't. It was actually a limit of 2 tons, and there was a height restriction. So we had to find a different route, and because of that, we had to cross a different bridge, and Steve thinks the toll was $10, which is crazy. I could understand a few dollars for a bridge, but not $10 for just a normal bridge that crosses a regular river. And then last night, after Planet Fitness, the directions took us one way, and we got to it, and it was 9 feet exactly. So we've run into 3 different spots where there were height or weight restrictions. Right. So it'd be nice on Google Maps if there was some thing you could put in there to help you avoid those kind of things. There's probably some apps out there, but anyway, it's just kind of interesting. So today we're hoping to avoid all that. We'll see. All right, well, here we are at Panera, and we know this is a nice one because we were here the other day. There's a fireplace. We got to get our stuff, and we're heading inside. All right, well, the nice thing about Panera is that there's a fireplace at this time of the year, so we were sitting right in front of that working. The bad thing is that a lot of times the internet's not very good. Today was one of those days, so we're calling it. Steve got his Go Juice. We actually got a bagel today too with cream cheese for just $1. And now we're going to the library where there's hopefully better internet. All right, let's hope we have better luck here because we need the internet. Our first stop this afternoon is the historic location for Washington's crossing across the Delaware. On the night of December 25th, 1776, General George Washington led a daring surprise attack by crossing the Delaware River during a winter storm. Despite freezing temperatures and icy waters, Washington and his Continental Army rode across the river overnight, marching to Trenton, New Jersey, where they launched a successful attack on the Hessian forces the next morning. This bold move resulted in a crucial American victory, boosting morale and reinvigorating the Revolutionary War effort. Washington's crossing remains one of the most iconic moments in American history, symbolizing resilience and strategic brilliance.
I don't understand what the big deal is. There's a bridge right there. Why didn't he just use that?
We made a quick stop at the visitor center to find out about tickets for what we want to do next within the park. And just to get a lay of the land, we picked up a little booklet about the park. Look at that car.
So we're here at Bowman's Hill Tower, and little known fact that George Washington actually owned one of these space trucks.
I think it's a transformer. I also think it's really ugly. We're gonna go climb a tower. It's cold in here. Kind of feels like we're in a cellar. Lots and lots of steps.
Oh, look, Steve and Audra.
It's pretty tight quarters in here. What is it, like 2.5 or 3 feet? According to legend, George Washington used this hilltop during the Revolutionary War to observe troop movements before his famous crossing of the Delaware. While there's no definitive proof Washington stood there, the site remains a tribute to his leadership. Built in the early 20th century, Bowman's Tower now serves as a popular tourist attraction, allowing visitors to climb to the top and take in stunning views of the Delaware River Valley, including Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and New York. Climbed Bowman's Hill Tower.
Oh, how are the turntables?
Well, well, well. How the turntables.
All right, you guys. So we're gonna get changed because we're gonna go out on a hot date tonight. All right. Well, we are back at Peddler's Village. It's where we came with Olivia on Saturday, but we didn't have a lot of time here, so we're back for more. And we're gonna go out to eat here also.
It's a Monday, so it's far less crowded than when we were here last, which was on Saturday.
Yeah.
So hopefully there won't be as long of a wait and won't be as crowded, and we can check some things out, right?
Yeah, we were gonna try to go to the Cock and Bull on Saturday, and it was over an hour and a half wait. And we also want to see, there's a gingerbread display, and there was a long, long line out the door, so hopefully that'll not be the case today.
I'm so much in the mood that I have candy cane chopstick.
You're in the holiday mood.
Yeah.
Wow, there are some really neat gingerbread houses here. How cool to see such creativity. Ooh, I like this one.
Chips are pickled to perfection.
I like pickled chips so much, it's all I ever see. Alright, I got the butternut risotto. Guess what Steve got? He loves his Thanksgiving.
This makes Thanksgiving dinner number 4, 5. I've lost count.
Was really nice.
It was. I love me a fireplace.
Yeah, it was so nice being by the fire. And dinner was pretty yummy.
Yep. Not Christmas until there's Christmas fish.
It is only the middle of November. And now I think we're both definitely in the mood for Christmas. Or Thanksgiving if you're Steve.
Yep. I'm ready for Christmas giving. Christmas giving. Christmas Thanksgiving.
It doesn't matter what it is, we're ready for it. We're not picky. Well, we hope you've enjoyed coming along with us today. Today's video was sponsored by Frank Wolf.
We've had a lovely afternoon and evening thanks to Frank. Frank has been a longtime supporter and friend of the channel, so thank you, Frank.
And if you've been following along, you've seen Frank before. We stopped in to visit him, and he hosted us with our van life friends, Jamie and Lisa, and Bill and Christina, and we had a great time with him then.
Just goes to show you that everybody needs a Frank in their life.
That's true. And Frank actually put together an itinerary for us for this area. We were able to get to some of the things, not everything, because of the time of year. Some things are closed and just some scheduling conflicts. But we had a great time checking out the places he had recommended.
So that's where we're going to leave you for this video. Thanks as always for watching. We love your support. And we will catch you guys on the next one.
As always, hit that like button. It helps our channel. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. And we'll see you next time.
See ya.
A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. Don't forget, you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram. See you next time for more adventure.